Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 88. This question is from GATE 2002 examination. So let us read the question. In the chopper circuit shown in figure, the input DC voltage has a constant value Vs. So input voltage is Vs. The output voltage V0 is assumed ripple free. That is V0 is constant. The switch S is operated with a switching time period T, right, and a duty ratio D. What is the value of D at the boundary of continuous and discontinuous conduction of the inductor current IL? Okay, so if you check the circuit, this circuit is of buck converter. Okay, and it is given that the boundary of continuous and discontinuous conduction is nothing but the IL waveform. It will be like a just continuous. It will be like a just continuous. That is nothing but the boundary of continuous and discontinuous conduction. Okay, so IL waveform will be like this. From 0 to T on, inductor current increases, and from T on to T, it go on decreasing, and again after that it increases. Okay, so here if you check, this time is T on, and T on is nothing but a dt. T on is nothing but dt only, right? And this is the total time T we are having. Okay, next, now if you check, this is like a I max, that is a peak value of inductor current. Okay, what is it? I mean it is a 0. Okay, so can we say that this indicates the delta IL, right? This indicates a delta IL. Delta IL, that is the change in inductor current or the ripple in inductor current. Okay, next, now if we draw the average value of IL, it will be like this. IL average, it will be passing through exactly at the 50%. Okay, so it is nothing but IL average. Okay, IL average, which is equal to I0 average only. Okay, so here can we write IL average is equal to I0 average, which is equal to delta IL by 2. Okay, but again, what is the I0 average? We can write I0 average is equal to V0 divided by R. V0 divided by R. Okay, which is equal to delta IL by 2. What is delta IL? We know delta IL. We already derived the expression for the delta IL as well. Okay, during the video sessions. It is equal to Vs into 1 minus D into dt, right, divided by L. Vs into 1 minus D into dt divided by L. Okay, next, now can we replace this V0 in terms of Vs? It is a buck converter, so V0 is equal to D into Vs, so it is a dVs upon R is equal to Vs into 1 minus D into dt divided by L. So D into Vs and this Vs into D, it will get cancelled out. Okay, so therefore we can write, yes, it is like L by R or T. Okay, we can write it as L by RT is equal to 1 minus D. Okay, so from this we can write D is equal to, so therefore, yes, we need to write this divided by 2 as well. So it is a 2, right? So divided by 2 here we need to write. Okay, so it is like 2L by RT is equal to 1 minus D. So therefore D is equal to 1 minus 2L by RT. 2L by RT. Are you getting the point? Why I have written divided by 2? Because it is delta IL by 2. So here it should be 2. Here it should be 2. Okay. So D is equal to 1 minus 2L by RT. This is the expression for the duty cycle D. Right? Duty cycle. So if you check the options, correct option is option C. 1 minus 2L by RT. Okay. So this is about the question number 88. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 89. Thank you.